If you're looking to buy a washing machine, you are in the right place because I'll be sharing some 10 things to look for when buying a brand new washing machine. Now, picking a washing machine is not an easy task at all. There are lots of features to consider. There are also specifications and settings. Besides, you have to choose between buying a front load washing machine or a top loader. I have created this guide to help you choose your washing machine wisely. When investing in a washer, you will need to choose between a front load washing machine and a top loader. Now, there are cons and pros for each of these machines. In brief, I can say that a front load washer is more economical on space, more so if they are stackable. I also like that the tumbling effect of these machines as they clean is kinda gentler on clothes. On the other hand, if you do not like bending while inserting clothes, a top load washer will be perfect for your situation. I also like that the cleaning cycles are fast on top loaders, and also they allow for pre-soaking. See, what you have here is a massive 8 kg drum. The second thing to look out for is capacity. If you have a bigger family or the more you need to wash, the greater capacity you should go for. Make sure to check the size of the drum. They are usually available from 1 cubic feet to around 6 cubic feet. Now, while you can argue that even with a small capacity you can manage by running more washes, this will cost you money in terms of high electricity and water bills. Also, your washer won't last longer. Hence, it is advisable to invest in a larger capacity if you are a heavy user. The third thing I recommend you to look at is spin speed. Yeah, spin speed is another consideration when purchasing a washer. Now, machines with high speeds will remove more water from the clothes at the end of the cycle, which will help them to dry faster. However, if you have delicate fabric, lower spin speeds will be ideal for you. Electricity consumption and energy consumption is another important considerations to look at when you go buying a washing machine. Now, all machines do not consume energy equally, so it is important to compare the estimated annual electricity use before you buy a machine. It also helps to choose a washing machine model that is Energy Star certified. Now, washers with Energy Star ratings are generally 22% more energy efficient compared to those without a star rating. What? And as you can see, this machine is vibrating. Now, when you go buying a washing machine, noise is another important factor to consider. Some washing machines do make a lot of noise, especially when spinning in the final cycle. However, some washers are so quiet because they come with quiet technology as well as vibration reduction. However, if your washing machine is making a lot of noise because it is shaking, you can check out my video on how to fix a shaking washing machine. The video has helped many of my audience to fix the issue of shaking, vibration and noise in an easy and quick way. So do check out the video. I'll leave the link in the description below. Now, settings available is another important consideration when you go out purchasing your washing machine. Now, when buying a washing machine, you want a washing machine with enough settings and cycles. This way, you will have more versatility. However, I'd advise you only go for the ones that you require. Too many settings could clutter your control panel and make your machine cumbersome to use. Now, some of the settings you can go for include the steam option if you are about sanitation. The quick cycle settings is important if you want to rinse your clothes quickly, if you're in a hurry. Now, extra rinse programs are also helpful if you have a sensitive skin. If you're looking to save on water and electricity, eco settings will come in handy. Another important consideration is the auto dispense functionality. Now, sometimes it's so difficult to know the amount of detergent that is required to wash certain types of clothes or to run a certain cycle. So a machine that comes with the auto dispense functionality comes in handy in these cases, because the auto dose capability will help you in that the machine will calculate the amount of detergent based on load size and soiling levels. You see, so the same goes for also the softener. The machine will calculate and give you the right amount that is required for washing your clothes, which is very important. Now, this will help you reduce instances of using too much detergent, which can cause oversurging conditions. Now, I have dealt with the issue of SUD errors, and these are very common errors with washing machines, where your machine detects too much detergent, yeah, and gives you an error and ceases to operate and gives you this SUD error code. Now, if you have this issue and it's disturbing you, you could go and watch my video that I've done on the SUD error. Now, this video will help you solve this issue quickly. If you are a lover of the latest tech, you can opt for a washer with smart technology. This will allow you to pair your smartphone and effectively monitor and control the appliance. Some smart features will allow you to remote start the washer, download additional cycles, as well as self-diagnose any faults. You could also use smart features to monitor energy consumption of your machine. So you see, machines with smart features could come in handy in those and like situations where you want to remote start your machine, you're looking to download more additional cycles, or you want to auto diagnose your machine in case it has a problem. So you have to make a decision whether you want to go for a machine with smart features. Okay. Now, number 9, size and dimension is also important, because when you're buying a machine, you know your space. If you have restricted small spaces, you need to know that your machine requires space both to ventilate. You need space above the machine, in the front, so you can open. If it's a front load washing machine, you can open, the door of the drum without, hitting the walls and such like things. So you need space in front, back, up, that kind of thing. Your machine should be able to ventilate. So sometimes with small spaces, front load washers that are stackable come in handy, because you can stack like 2 machines together and save on space. So it's a consideration you should look for. Lastly, reviews are very important, and I'm talking about you going to websites that do reviews of washing machines. Look at the reviews, what they are saying. Also look for reviews for those people who have bought such machines and used them. It's important to gain from the experience, avoid the mistakes that they made before they bought that machine. It's important to look at reviews like mine now, and many other reviews online that talk about the machine, so you know what you want, you know what you're going for when you go shopping for these machines. Now, we've come to the end of this video, and if you found it helpful, kindly subscribe, and share this video with your friends. I'll truly appreciate. See you in the next one. Bye.